Hello, good afternoon. Cemanting Arts here. Now we on the background. Hello, Cemanting Arts here again. Good afternoon. Here we want to make another creation of culinary. And this is beverage Dalgona coffee, but I will make it another recipe, variant recipe of Dalgona coffee. We must have this ice for preparation, and I make this milk mixed into wedang owu. In Java, wedang owu means garbage sampah, but this is various spices here from Ibu Novi, Bobot Sari, Purbalingga. Just pour into water and boil it until it become red, and we can pour it into glass, and then milk, and then stir it like this. After that, we can put here ginger coffee, kopi jahe in Indonesia from Martapura. No, this is the merek is Cap Abdullah Martapura, but this is production by Fajar Pratama, Banjarmasin, Kalimantan Selatan, South Kalimantan, South Borneo. Pour 2 spoons of this into a mug, and then white sugar like this, 2 spoons too, and then mix and stir it well. After stir it well, like this, until like this kind of coffee with 2 spoons of water too. Okay, 2 spoons of coffee, 2 spoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of hot water, and stir it well like this. Okay, this is about 30 minutes. Stir well. This is already stirred well in 30 minutes, and then we can put this ice into this glass. Okay, wait a minute. My mother has fried something there, back there. So this is very noisy here. It didn't mind, okay? That's because here stay at home, di rumah aja, with me, sama saya. Make it something different, okay? So we can put this into the top like this. as much as you want. Okay, maybe it's enough. Then ta-da! We must put something on the top for the garnish. Okay, for the garnish one. Wait a minute. Let's go to the garden. Okay? Let's see. We must put something here. This is serai. I don't know in English. Serai here. We pick the good one. Okay, maybe here. Okay. Okay, this is it. I must wash it first. After we wash it, we can put it here. Dalgona coffee ala-ala Cementing Art. Okay, see you in another episode. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.